Here is our ingredients. Boil some bones. Add ginger. Wash the bones. Boil the bone soup in a medium heat for 1 hour. The bone soup is ready. It's white color. The bone soup is white. Use this kind of rice noodles. A little bit thicker, not too thin. Boil the rice noodles in hot water only 1 minute. Don't boil more than 1 minute, otherwise it will become too soft. After 1 minute, turn off the heat. Let rice noodles soak in the hot water for 5 minutes, become soft. Here is our ingredients. Bone soup, rice noodles, beef meatball cut in half, green lemon, spinach, bean sprout. Add the bone soup in the pot. The bone soup is white. When the soup is boiling, add the cut beef ball. When the soup is boiling, add beef meatball. Add a little bit salt. Add some soy sauce. I also add the beef rolls. Only boil 1 minute. Add some bean sprout. Add green onion. After 1 minute, add the spinach. Add all the soup on top of the rice noodles. Put the red pepper on top. I share Chinese recipes videos every day. Please follow my channel.